Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Yo-Yo shoes reviews. And apart from that, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, the citizens of United States are curious to know about the legitimacy of this site, and this is the online portal that deals with multiple shoes of multiple brands. So guys, this is the picture of a particular shoe product, but no description is available on the particular product. This is a negative sign. Now let's talk about the payment information. So you can see the modes of payment available on the site are PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, JCB, DHL, etc. And coming to the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, let me click the customer service option so that we can check out the shipping and delivery option here. So this time I'm not able to click this customer service option, but yes, when you will check out the shipping and delivery information on desktop, then you will be find that the processing time is 1 to 4 business days and shipping duration will be 7 to 9 business days. So guys, rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience. And guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Talking about the domain information, it was created on 27th of July 2020. So guys, this site is 8 months old. It means that this is more than 6 months old. So this is a positive sign regarding the legitimacy of the site. And coming to the company's detail, you need to visit the company info and about us page. So let us check out the about us information. So they have provided the detailed about us information, which is a positive sign. Now coming to the contact details of this website, let's check out the contact us details. So here is the contact us page guys, and they have provided the contact number, email address and a query form, but no official address detail is available on the web page, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. Now guys, coming to the social media existence, so let me show you the social media icons. So guys, at the right of the right side, you can see the site has social media presence on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook as well. And apart from that, I would like to inform you that the site comes with 3,575 followers on Instagram and very less followers, including 154 on Facebook, and has only 45 subscribers on YouTube. So guys, they have less fan following, which is a drawback. However, the website is 8 months old. So coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. This is the return policy guys. So this page is not opening due to some errors, so we need to check out the FAQ section. So let me find out the FAQ section that is available in the menu option button, guys. So guys, here is the return policy. Again, this page is not opening due to some error. So guys, we need to check out the FAQ section, but this time on mobile I'm not able to view the FAQ section on the phone, which is a negative sign. Guys, you can check out the FAQ section on the desktop, and there you will find the return policy, which is of 7 days, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And coming to the Yo-Yo shoes reviews, guys, we have found only one review on the official website, which is a positive review, but no reviews are available regarding this site on the internet, which is a negative sign. So let me show you the customer review that is available on the official website. So this is the only customer review. That is good quality. I highly recommend this website. They are legit. So guys, we are not able to find the verified ID of this customer. So yes, this is again a loophole, and no customer reviews or lacking of customer reviews makes the site quite suspicious as well. So guys, it's totally up to you, because the trust index score of the site is 8%, so we can't claim this site legit, and we leave the final decision on you guys. And I request you all to share your experience with the site so that customers can avail the benefits while reviewing a website or before making any online purchase. Apart from that, guys, the site has low traffic, or you can say doesn't have many visitors. So yes, this site appears to be suspicious, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, do comment about your thought and like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.